Alright, hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cube cover for a cube. So I'm going to give it my best shot. This is something that I had seen at my first competition that was like 10 years ago. And I found an old video of it and I'm just doing a based on reference of that. I occasionally need to make these, so I'm honestly just making this video as like a reminder for myself in the future. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to need to do is you will be splitting your paper up into 9 different sections. So what we're going to do is we're going to split it in 3 this way, 3 in this way. You can do whatever method you want. I looked online, there's some methods where you can like do all these diagonal folds to get the exact midpoint. I'm just going to guesstimate it because that leaves less lines on the paper. So let's see. I never was really good at guesstimating it. But you can like do like 2 hot dog folds. I forget which one's which. Or like a hamburger. I think that one would be right. Just really try to guesstimate. I think around that is pretty close. So maybe we'll do a little lower. You can skip forward if you don't want to know how to fold it into these, but this is just what I'm going to do. Okay, now we're going to need to fold it the other way into thirds. So again, this time I'm just going to try to do it more visually, like just by comparing the two halves. That looks like it'd be about right. So we'll fold and crease. And then I'm going to fold down. And again, you can do something else, and I had originally tried that, but I found that the lines on the paper really messed up what I wanted to do later. So as you can see, we have these 9 quadrants right now. Quadrant's probably the wrong word. But basically what we will want to do now is we're going to prepare these to become little flaps or something or another. And to do that, maybe there's a better way, but what I've been doing is basically pretend you're folding this line like from here to there, down to there. So fold, looks about right. So I'm going to crease it here. And let's just go ahead and crease it here, can we? No, there's no pointer. I don't think we can. Yeah. Okay. We'll go ahead and do that for all of them. So fold from there to there. Looks about right. Crease. Crease. Okay. From here to there. And crease the diagonal. I mean, like the other thing might need some more support too, but it's really the diagonal we're wanting to crease right now. And that was a little sloppy. Hopefully it'll still be all right. Crease. All right, so we've done the first step, or first couple steps, I guess you could say. Now we're going to do a proper side. So as you can see, we've kind of made these creases, right? We're going to fold it up and fold up another. And looks like we did a pretty good job. They're around the same height. So now we have this other tab, and we'll take care of that in a second, honestly. Well, you know, let's go ahead and do it now. Let's figure out. So I was playing around with a few different things. Yeah, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold this corner to match with here. I don't know origami. I don't know the names for types of folds. Just do like a little corner type fold. And so now we have this little shape. I'm gonna fold it downward over the paper at first. Crease Sorry for doing that out of the camera. Then fold it in. And I think at the end I'm going to apply, like put on some tape here just for stability. It actually looks kind of good without it though. Again, that's gonna like really vary on like how well your estimations for the folding in threes were. But we're gonna do this again over here. So fold that, then fold this part downward. Again, it's kind of hard to do on a table, so forgive me for going out of frame. This one's a little more sloppy. Hopefully it'll still fold as nicely. If not, a little tape will fix all. So we'll fold that down, just into there, and like I've been letting you know, that one did turn sloppy, but look at that. So let's see, I have a cube over here, 3x3, and I mean it's solved, we don't gotta do anything. Put it there. Let me take my phone out of this tripod. Yeah, and as you can see, like a previous version I made kind of shows at the bottom. Like if you really are looking, you probably could get a hint at a corner or something. Overall, I feel like pretty good cube cover. You can make it pretty fast. You could make a more proper type of cube cover. I've seen a video for it, and I'll link that in the description. And I did end up making one of those, but it just took too long. So this is all I need, just a little paper dinky one. I guess we don't even need tape. You probably could use tape if you messed up. And yeah, I hope that was helpful.